seconds. Okay, here they come with your freaking hot dog.
I do apologize. I'm so sorry. I thought I ordered in New York. I'm sorry.
You're terrible. You are terrible. You're a terrible